So what is the true cost of this mid-size RX330 luxury SUV?
About 6.5 million.
No, that's just how much it costs to buy it. The true cost of this car is how much it costs to keep it running on the road. And we'll be looking at that in this video. My name is Motileke and this is 234 Drive. Servicing this car will cost about 50,000 naira for the oil change and the oil filter. The 3.5 litre V6 engine for this car costs about 750,000 naira. And the notorious gearbox, 13-pin gearbox for this car costs a whooping 500,000 naira. There's something about the gearbox in this car that I'm going to be telling you later on in this video. Stay tuned. For this Lexus, the full bumper costs about 150,000 naira. And you're going to have to pay 50,000 naira to have it repainted. The grille costs only 30,000 naira, while the headlights cost about 80,000 naira, which is the same as the backlight. And the mirror goes for 70,000 naira only. So Tokumbo tires for this car cost about 30,000 naira, while the brake pad for this car costs about 30,000 naira also for front set and back set. In this car, the driving hub might get spoiled and you will begin to feel small vibrations. It costs you about 75,000 naira to fix the driving hub of this car. For the driving shaft, it costs you about 70,000 naira to fix the driving shaft of this car. And mind you, the driving shaft of this car is connected to the 13-pin gearbox that I was talking about earlier. One advice that I would recommend that you give your mechanic is that if he's changing the driving shaft of this car, make sure that it cools down. Because if it does not cool down, if you change the driving shaft while it is hot, it's going to spoil the gearbox, which will cost you 500,000 naira that we mentioned earlier. So tell your mechanic to cool down. Let the car cool down before you change the driving shaft of this car. Then that leads us to the shock absorber. The shock absorber costs about 120,000 naira to change. So we recommend that you take it easy on those bumps. So this car has what we call a melting dashboard problem. And with 60,000 naira, you can get your upholstery guy to help you install or fix what we call American leather. Now, if you do not like this stock screen that comes with this car, you can change it to an Android screen and it will cost you about 190,000 naira to install. That's all with this car. My name is Motileke and this is 234 Drive. Now, if you'd like to buy this car or any other car, do not hesitate to message us or send us a mail at 234drive@gmail.com and we'll be more than happy to point you in the right direction.